Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. There's a good news. You can make your own laptop. You can make your own laptop, a DIY laptop. And here's the video. Let's Here's the video by ddelectrotech.com. Josh builds just the same. He may just make a cardboard, but here it's much better. Hey, you dog. I'm not cruel to dogs. Oh, wait. Oh.
From the last 3 years, I've been doing many
There you
electronics
go.
projects.
Okay.
Today's project is the one which was desired from a long time. Today I am making my own laptop.
So cool.
So let's begin. First, I have roughly jotted down the design on a piece of paper with a pencil.
Piece of cake.
I am doing the base using wood instead of a cardboard to make a better finish. When I started cutting down the ply using hacksaw, I realized that it is a tedious process and I cannot complete it on a single day. So, I went to the market and bought a jigsaw. With this, the wood became a slice of butter. This reduced the hole making time a lot lesser. In order to place the CPU ports properly, I have drilled few holes on the ply using a drill machine and then finished the cutting using a utility knife. Then I smoothened the wood surface with a sandpaper. After the cutting process, the ply really became ugly. So, to make it look good, I have polished it with spirit and wax. In order to make a laptop, we definitely need a display. This is a 7-inch HD IPS display which has great viewing angle and color saturation. To assemble all the parts, I have used Fevicol synthetic resin adhesive. Then I framed the display with those pre-made pieces. Now come to the backbone of the device, the heart of the system, the Raspberry Pi 3. It has quad-core ARM Cortex 1.2 GHz processor, 1 GB RAM and a Broadcom GPU. It also have 4 USB ports, 1 Ethernet port, 1 HDMI port and 3.5 mm video and audio output port. It also have inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in it. Now I am inserting the SD card in which
Wait.
I am inserting the SD card in which I have installed the OS previously. Now I am testing the system. And as you can see, it's working properly. As we are making a laptop, we need an internal power supply. So, we are going to use a power bank module which charges the lithium batteries and give a constant 5V output. I have removed the USB port from the module because it had no use and reconnected all the necessary wires. Then, I have added a power switch with the module. As I don't want to use the power port because in case of a high power operation, we need a power supply which gives a high voltage power input. When this port will be necessary, that's why I am directly connecting the power supplies. Now I will assemble all the required parts one by one. This is a wireless rechargeable keyboard with a touchpad, so we need to charge it quite often. In order to eliminate that, I am directly connecting the keyboard with the power module. Now I will arrange the remaining parts one by one. This is the final look of the laptop. How do you find it? Let me know in the comment section below.
What is it? Upgrade. Upgrade. Okay, so that's it. And there.
With this, you can watch your favorite YouTube channel.
Well, actually,
I
you can use a cardboard just in this video. Well, I can't make too long video. I need to go. So just look in the description on how did it. And so that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this helped you. And I wish many subscribers. Please subscribe, like, please. Can we get 20 likes? Well, just 10 likes. So that's it, guys. Bye.